Mind with Blessy. Today we are going to learn 3 stories. So let us start. The first story is going to be The Clever Rabbit. I'll tell you this story. The Clever Rabbit. Once there was a forest and there was a river. Many animals used to come to the river to drink water. And across the river was a huge field with many fruits and vegetables. 3 animals wanted to go there, but there were many crocodiles in the river. One day, a hare came to drink water. He saw the field and was thinking, I want to go and eat all the fruits and vegetables. With hard thinking, he finally came up the next day. He called all the crocodiles and said, please don't harm me. The king of the forest has announced everyone that he is going to throw out a party. He has given me the job to count all the animals and tell him. One of them said, but how will you count this? The rabbit said, you form a line and then I will jump on your backs and count you. The crocodiles said, okay. They all formed a line and their hand shot on one crocodile at the other and went. He had yummy fruits and vegetables and then had a nap for a little while. Then he woke and went back. The crocodiles asked him, what were you doing in there? The rabbit said, I was having a problem in counting. Look, you form a line again. This time I'll count it correct. So, all the crocodiles formed a line and the rabbit jumped on each other and went to the forest again. No one ever had this idea to cross the river. That the moral of the story is a hard thought will succeed you indeed. This is the story of the Clever Rabbit. Next, this is a story about a fish. Not an ordinary fish, but it was so colorful. This is the story of the rainbow fish. All like rainbows, right? I also love them. The black fish also had rainbow fish. Nice, right? So let's start this rainbow fish. The rainbow fish. One day in the ocean, there were many fishes, but one fish, not an ordinary fish. She was very colorful and had beautiful stripes all over her body. Everyone called her the rainbow fish. One day, the rainbow fish was very proud. It did not even like to shine. Even one tiny scale to his friends. The rainbow was very proud. One day, a little blue fish went to the rainbow fish and said, oh dear, please can you give me one scale from your body? The rainbow fish said, how dare you ask me? One of my scales. Who are you? Who do you think you are? Go away from here. The sad blowfish got very upset and went away. Then, not only the bluefish knew it, all other fishes in the ocean knew and saw and heard it. They turned not to be friends with the rainbow fish. So, the rainbow fish was the loneliest fish in the ocean. But then, one day, the rainbow fish went to its friend the starfish and asked, Starfish, I'm a beautiful fish in the ocean, but why no one likes it? The starfish said, I do not have any answer for you, dear. But I think the octopus may have an option for you, may have an answer. The rainbow fish said, okay, and went to the cave where the octopus lived and was calling out from the dark cave, Mr. Octopus! Mr. Octopus! Then from the dark, octopus appeared. The octopus appeared and said, I was waiting for you, in the deep woods. The waves have told me the story. If you share one of your skills to all the fishes in the ocean, you will not be the loneliest fish, but you will be the happiest fish. The rainbow fish stopped. Give away my skills. I cannot fly. Then suddenly, you know what's going on. You all around. So, a little blue fish. The little blue fish came back again and asked, would you don't get angry, dear? Would you please give me one of your tiny scales? The rainbow fish said, okay, this time I give you one. And gave one to the little blue fish, but not only the little blue fish, to all the fishes in the whole ocean. The rainbow fish had only one scale on his body, but he was not so sad of his scales. He was actually happy because all the fishes were calling him, Rainbow fish, come and play with us. Rainbow fish, come and play with us. The rainbow fish then became the happiest fish in the ocean. The moral of this story is, if you share one of your good things to others, they will also share their good things with you and become your friend. That's the moral of this story. Next story is going to be the Ant and the Owl. So let's start with our story. I know you're all excited about this story, so let's start. The Ant and the Owl. One day, a very thirsty ant was drinking water from the river. Suddenly, the ant lost his balance and fell into the river water. Help! Help! Cried the ant, but no one could hear his cry. A dove sitting on the tree nearby saw the ant was in danger. She quickly plucked a leaf from the tree and dropped it into the river. The ant climbed on the leaf and tied the dove for its head. After a few days, the ant saw that the dove was sitting on a tree, and the hunter aiming his arrow to shoot the dove and kill him. The ant knew his friend the dove was in danger. He quickly bit the hunter's leg. The hunter cried in pain. The dog was sick. She turned to the ant for its help. Model: one would be deserves another. Yay! We have finished all the 3 stories. Let's say it again. The clever rabbit, the rainbow fish, and the ant and the dove. Yay! This is the end of the video. Like, subscribe for more videos. Very soon I'll come up with a new video. Till then, bye.